Today we're going to be hopping into a fan game called Block Merge Simulator, and I'm going to switch up how we do this series just a little bit. Usually I hop in a game, you know, walk around, I look around, I say, hey, no, I'm going to try to play each and every game when we do this series for at least an hour, so I can figure out the whole game, figure out what I like, what I dislike, what could be better, and hopefully give some valuable feedback. So jumping in, I'm expecting you to have like tycoon-esque plots, and okay, you don't have tycoon plots. That's a good thing. Most of these merge games, they put everybody on their own plot, and then you just, you know, merge on your plot. But it looks like this one is actually set up like a normal simulator, like a pet simulator or an unboxing simulator or something like that. So that is pretty nice. Let me grab my daily reward real quick. Perfect. Ooh, a little animation. Beautiful. I've got 165 coins, and it looks like here we just upgrade our pet storage, player speed, and backpack storage. Okay. Anything back here? New code. 500 likes. All right. Is this, it seems like it would be something. Maybe it's coming soon. Oh my gosh, we just merged some good stuff. All right, guys. I've been playing this game for a little bit of time. I've unlocked a few zones, as you can see, and I bought one game pass, which I think hurts me more than helps. So right here, I bought auto sell, right? And this just means, hey, I don't have to sell the backpack. I can just pick these up, boom, and it auto sells them. But as you can see, my money's not going up. And then I thought, hey, maybe it fills up your backpack, but it just doesn't register, right? Maybe you need 10 of these blocks and then it will sell. Cool. Okay, let's try that. So we just got one block right there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Still no money. And it works sometimes. Like, sometimes I get money, but like I play so much longer than I think I would have to get any money at all. So I'm gonna guess that that's a bug. And I mean, I don't know though. Is there something I'm missing? It auto sells. Sometimes your boy gets money, but as you can see, like, guys, look, I am playing this game and I'm at a point where I've been playing for a good little bit of time and I get no money, so I can't actually progress. I can't buy pets. I can't buy the new zone. Yeah, I don't know. I genuinely don't know, man. But I'm trying to just keep going in hopes that my money will come up, but it just, yeah, it hasn't been looking too good, man. It hasn't been looking too good. I will say the game passes do seem a little pricey as well, but I mean, hey, that is to each developer's discretion. Yeah, dude, this is sad, man. I can't continue to play the game because I spent money on the game. Oh man, I don't know what to say. I'm gonna play for a little bit longer with high hopes that, see, there we go. I just got money, but how? Why? What does it do? And I think I get all the money that's like owed, but having to wait for it an unknown amount of time, I don't know, man. I don't know. But we got money. There's only been one egg or two. There's 2 eggs at the spawn. Nothing in any of the other zones so far anyways. And I will say the game doesn't feel like you actually progress. You do the same thing in every zone, which is normal in simulators, but going to this zone, I don't feel like I'm getting any more money than from the last zone. And I probably am, but that main glitch or bug, whatever you want to call it, where I have to play for a very long time and hope that my money goes up sometime, is definitely killing the experience for me, at least. In fact, let's see how long I need to play this time before I get any money at all. As you can see, I have 10x filled up this 10 times bag. Like I have filled it multiple times, guaranteed, just by looking how many +1s are popping up on my screen. And I don't know, like when will it actually auto sell them to give your boy the money, you know? I don't know, man. It's just like, but so far, I'm still playing and I'm still getting no money. This bug could be fixed by the time you guys are seeing this video, by the way, and it probably only happens with the Game Pass. So, don't let that be a turn-off for you. Nobody else is complaining about it, so I would assume it's a Game Pass thing. And I tried looking at the dev console, and it's just, I don't know, man. I don't know. Something's going bad. All right, guys, I've been playing for quite a bit more time, and money just now, I was about to say hasn't come. It just now came in. So now I have some money to spend. And they told me in the chat that the game actually just released 45 minutes ago at the time of this recording. You guys probably won't see this till a few days afterwards, so probably by that time, most of these bugs will be gone. But I do gotta give them props for sending me a game to review on a video right after it comes out. I'm terrified. Every time I release a game, I'm like, oh god, please. I get so nervous because I just know everything's gonna be broken, man. But yes, they're fixing the bugs. They are now aware of the auto sell bug thing that's happening, and I think that's the only thing really killing my experience. But I will also say I don't feel like there's enough progression. And I think that could help if they added maybe a new egg in each zone. Maybe crafting machine. Say you got to get to zone 3 to make gold pets. Zone 6 to make rainbow pets. Just something in the other zone. What are all of these hoverboards, dude? Oh my gosh. This right here, keep playing for coin boosts. Very smart. My mouse is gone. My mouse is gone again. Why does that happen? Keep playing for coin boost and you can literally see the thing going up to give you a bigger boost as you keep playing. Now, this, as you can see, the colors here state common, uncommon, and rare, I would assume. And then if you open it and get the most common pet, this ugly pet, there you go. It says it's a rare. Interesting. Wait, the name is rare? Because it says common on the bottom. Wait, hold on. This is a lot for my brain. It says bull common rare. Is the name of this pet rare? There we go. And as you can see, my money came in from playing all that time earlier. So let's equip best. Okay, there we go. Not bad. Now we're gonna go buy some zones. Guys, you gotta love game launches, man. Let's keep it going. We actually have some coinage now, so we're gonna buy some more zones and hopefully get some stuff. Also, how do I have 4 pets right now? Equipped 3 of 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. But only 3 of them are actually, I don't know. I couldn't tell you. Purchase 35K. Doors are a little hard to purchase sometimes. I can't, you have to sort of angle your camera right to actually purchase them, but no problem. Let's keep this going. 1 block. Yeah, this is 60K. I'm down. I'll afford that. Purchase. Nice. Ooh, I like this zone. Great crate colors. Honestly, really pops out. This one's 100,000. No problem. Let me get that zone. Ooh, that one was easy. Nice. Let's go. 1 jello block. And then this next one is 150,000. And the next one's 350,000. And then we've beat the game. So I'm gonna go ahead and beat the game. All right, guys. I'm in the zone right before the last one, and yeah, it doesn't look like anything too spectacular happens when you unlock the last zone, so I'm not gonna worry about it because I've been playing for a genuine eternity. And listen, I was just never getting coins, and I can't even lie to you guys, I just decided to buy the 100,000 coins to get into the next zone because I just wasn't getting any, and I just was very curious if you know, if there was anything in the last zone, but it doesn't look like it. So with that, I want to leave the developers with a couple words. I think the good things that you guys have is this play boost. Very smart. You'll get premium payouts and you'll give players an incentive to keep playing, so you get those premium benefits. And I like how it's a merge simulator, but not an exact copy of every other merge simulator. However, there's a caveat to that one, and we'll have to go into the bad things that I'm gonna say about the game. And this isn't to demotivate you guys or anything like that, but it's just what I see as a player / developer. All of the other merge games have one mechanic that I think is super important to have in your game if you're gonna do a merge type game, and that is combining 2 stuffs into 1 stuff, and 1 stuff is big. In most games, say you have a cat and a cat, you combine them, and it's either gonna be a bigger cat or a stronger animal overall. In this game, when you combine 2 things, you get these tiny blocks that you then get to pick up, and I think that ruins a little bit of the satisfaction. But I also, you know, hey, it's an original idea, so maybe I just don't know what I'm talking about, which is highly likely as well. And the only other thing that I can say that I'm not really a fan of, or that you guys did poorly, not right, you know, however we want to say that without sounding too harsh, is just the progression. I'm in almost the last zone in the game, and I don't feel like at any point in time I've made more money, which could be because of the bug, but I also feel like there's been 0 reason to go to the next zone. There's no eggs, there's no machines, there's no new items, you know, no new things. But that has been my hour playthrough of this new game. Let me know what you guys want me to do next. Anyways, hopefully this did help the developers, and hopefully you guys want to check it out as well, because by the time this video comes up, there will most likely be not all of these bugs. But that is going to wrap it up. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day. Later.